I, I, I. Igloo, igloo.
Today, we are learning to say and write the letter I. This is big I, and this is little I. Say I with me. I. Say it again. I. Excellent, kids. Say it loud again. I. Yes. Great saying I. Letter I says eh, like a little insect wiggling. Eh, eh, eh. Now you try. Say eh. Brilliant, kids. Now, let's try to find the letter I words. Ready? Ice cream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for ice cream. Listen. I, ice cream. Ice cream. You try. I, ice cream. Ice cream. Good job, kids. Igloo. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. Listen. I, igloo. Igloo. You try. I, igloo. Igloo. Good job. Ink. I is for ink. Ink. I is for ink. Listen. I, ink. Ink. You try. I, ink. Ink. Good job, kids. Island. I is for island. Island. I is for island. Listen. I, island. Island. You try. I, island. Island. Good job, kids. Insect. I is for insect. Insect. I is for insect. Listen. I, insect. Insect. Listen. I, insect. Insect. You try. I, insect. Insect. Good job, kids. Amazing, kids. Let's write the letter I.
Let's start with big letter I. That's uppercase I. Ready? Start from the top. Pull down. Good job, kids. And now, let's write the small letter I. We call this lowercase I. Start from the middle, pull down, a dot above. Fantastic work, kids! I is for iguana. I is for insect. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for ice. Wow, great job, kids!
Now, let's say the letter I sound. I says I. I says I. Oh, so good! Excellent, kids. Let's sing it together.
I. Igloo, igloo. I. Igloo, igloo.
Amazing, kids. You learned the letter I. Great job. Ask a grown-up to subscribe. See you next time.